Hello, hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Talk Daily. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. I am Donna, and I am very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. Maybe you are relaxing, maybe cooking, maybe driving, or maybe lying in bed with your phone.
Yes, maybe someone is listening while eating snacks.
Ooh, snacks sound good right now.
Wilbert always thinks about food.
That is true. I do think about food a lot.
Okay, everyone. Today we have a very fun topic.
Yes, today we are talking about habits.
Habits, daily habits.
Things we do every day.
Like waking up early,
Or waking up late,
drinking coffee,
checking your phone,
exercising.
or sleeping 5 more minutes.
Yes, we all do that sometimes.
Listener, today you will learn simple English words and phrases about habits and daily routines.
We will speak slowly
Clearly.
and naturally.
So relax and enjoy the conversation.
And before we start,
Yes, one small thing.
if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us make more English lessons for you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, Donna, let's begin.
Let's do it.
First, what is a habit?
Good question. A habit is something you do again and again.
Something regular.
Something you often do every day.
Something you often do every day. For example, brushing your teeth,
Yes, that is a habit.
drinking coffee every morning,
Also a habit.
looking at your phone before sleep,
Ooh, yes, many people do that.
including me.
Me too.
Listener, what about you? Do you look at your phone before sleeping?
I think many people are saying yes right now.
Haha, probably.
Okay, let's practice together.
Repeat after us slowly.
I have many habits.
Again.
I have many habits.
Very good.
Now another sentence.
Some habits are good.
Some habits are bad.
Excellent. Wilbert, do you think you have good habits?
Some good habits and some bad habits.
Same here. My good habit is drinking water every morning.
That is healthy.
Yes, every morning I drink 1 big glass of water.
Very nice.
But my bad habit,
Uh-oh.
I stay awake too late sometimes.
Yes, sleeping late.
I say only 5 more minutes.
And then?
2 hours pass.
Yes, that happens to me too.
Listener, do you sleep late sometimes?
It's okay, we are human.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
Except maybe cats.
Cats sleep perfectly.
Okay, Donna, what is your good habit? My good habit is walking every morning.
Nice.
I walk for 30 minutes.
Wow, every day?
Almost every day.
That is very good.
Thank you. Walking helps me feel calm and happy.
Yes, walking is wonderful.
Sometimes I listen to music while walking.
And sometimes you listen to English Talk Daily.
Of course, English Talk Daily.
Haha, good answer.
But I also have a bad habit.
Tell us.
I eat too much chocolate at night.
Haha, chocolate is dangerous,
Very dangerous.
especially chocolate cake.
Oh no, now I want cake.
Me too. Listener, what is your bad habit? Maybe eating too much sugar?
Maybe checking social media too often?
Maybe sleeping late like me.
Or buying too many snacks.
Haha. Okay, let's learn some useful habit phrases.
Great idea.
Repeat after us.
Slowly.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
This means you get up early in the morning.
Like 6 o'clock.
Or 7 o'clock. Next sentence.
I go to bed late.
I go to bed late.
This means you sleep late at night.
Like me watching funny videos at midnight.
Haha, Wilbert.
I cannot stop sometimes.
Okay, next sentence.
I drink coffee every morning.
Again.
I drink coffee every morning.
Very common habit.
especially for adults.
Yes, many adults need coffee to wake up.
Coffee first, talking later.
That is true.
Listener, do you drink coffee or tea? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, next phrase.
I exercise 3 times a week.
Ooh, healthy sentence.
Very healthy.
Exercise means moving your body to stay healthy.
Like walking, running, stretching, or going to the gym.
Listener, do you exercise?
Even small exercise is good.
Yes, walking counts too.
Definitely. Okay, Donna, what do you usually do in the morning?
First, I wake up.
Good start.
Yes, very important.
Step 1, be alive.
Exactly.
Haha, okay.
Okay, first I wake up, then I brush my teeth.
Good habit.
Then I wash my face.
Nice.
Then I make coffee.
Ah, yes. Coffee again.
Coffee is my best friend in the morning.
Poor Wilbert, replaced by coffee. Okay, continue.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Eggs and toast.
Very nice.
Sometimes fruit, too.
Healthy Donna.
I try my best.
Listener, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Maybe rice?
Maybe bread?
Maybe noodles?
Maybe nothing.
Some people skip breakfast.
Yes, skip means not do something.
Right. If you skip breakfast, you do not eat in the morning.
Very good explanation.
Thank you, Teacher Wilbert.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, what about you? What do you do in the morning?
First, I wake up slowly.
Slowly?
Very slowly. I won't stop. My alarm rings,
Beep, beep, beep.
and I say,
5 more minutes.
exactly. Then I finally get up.
Finally.
Then I drink water.
Good habit.
Then I stretch my body.
Nice.
Then I open the window.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
Yes, fresh air feels good in the morning.
I agree.
Then I make tea.
Tea instead of coffee.
Yes, I love hot tea.
Listener, repeat after Wilbert.
I drink tea every morning.
Again.
I drink tea every morning.
Great job.
Okay, now let's talk about evening habits.
Ooh, yes, evening habits are interesting.
Donna, what do you usually do at night?
At night, I usually relax.
Good idea.
I watch videos.
Same.
Sometimes I read a book.
Nice habit.
And sometimes I call my friends.
Aw, that is sweet.
Yes, talking with friends makes me happy.
Human connection is important.
Very important.
Listener, do you call your friends often?
Or maybe you send messages?
Or voice notes?
Or funny memes?
Haha.
Okay, what about you? What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I wash my face.
Very good.
And then
Yes?
I watch one video online.
Only one?
Well, maybe 5 videos.
I knew it.
One funny dog video becomes 10 funny dog videos.
The internet is dangerous at night.
Very dangerous.
Listener, do you watch videos before sleep?
Many people do.
Yes, you are not alone.
Okay, now let's practice another useful sentence.
Repeat after us.
I usually go to bed at 11.
Again.
I usually go to bed at 11.
Very good.
Another sentence.
I brush my teeth before bed.
Excellent.
Healthy teeth.
Happy teeth. Okay, now let's talk about healthy habits.
Yes, healthy habits are important.
Donna, what are some healthy habits?
Drinking water,
Sleeping enough,
eating vegetables,
exercising,
taking breaks.
and relaxing.
Yes, rest is important too.
Sometimes people work too much.
Yes, please rest, everyone.
Drink water
Stretch your body.
and breathe.
Ah, relaxing.
This feels like yoga class now.
Yoga English.
Haha.
Listener, let's practice healthy habit sentences.
Slowly and clearly.
I drink a lot of water.
Again.
I drink a lot of water.
Good job.
I try to sleep early.
I try to sleep early.
I eat healthy food.
I eat healthy food.
Excellent.
Okay, Now let's talk about habits with technology.
Oh, yes. Phones, computers, social media.
Technology is everywhere now.
Wilbert, how often do you check your phone? Be honest.
Too often. Maybe every 20 minutes?
Wow.
Sometimes I check my phone for no reason.
Same here.
I open my phone.
And forget why you opened it.
Exactly. Listener, does this happen to you too?
I think many people understand this.
Yes, modern life is funny sometimes.
Okay, let's practice this sentence.
I check my phone too much.
Again.
I check my phone too much.
Very natural English sentence.
Yes, people say this often.
Another useful phrase.
I spend too much time online.
Again,
I spend too much time online.
excellent.
Donna, do you have any funny habits?
Funny habits.
Yes, strange habits. Everybody has one.
Okay. I talk to my plants.
Really?
Yes.
What do you say?
Good morning, little plant. Please grow well.
That is adorable.
Thank you.
Maybe the plants feel happy.
I hope so.
My funny habit is talking to myself.
Really?
Yes, especially when cooking.
What do you say?
Okay, Wilbur, don't burn the onions. Careful, Wilbur.
That is so funny.
Listener, do you talk to yourself sometimes?
It is actually good English practice.
Yes, speaking out loud helps a lot.
Even simple sentences help.
Like, I am cooking now.
I am cleaning.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
Great English practice.
Okay, let's do a small role play.
Fun.
I will ask questions.
And I will answer.
Ready?
Ready.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every morning.
What is your bad habit?
Watching too many funny videos online. Okay, now your turn.
Ready.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
What is your good habit?
Walking every day.
What is your bad habit?
Eating chocolate late at night.
Chocolate strikes again.
Always.
Listener, now it is your turn.
Answer these questions out loud.
Practice speaking.
Question 1.
What time do you wake up?
Question 2.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Question 3.
What is your good habit?
Question 4.
What is your bad habit?
Great job.
You are practicing real English. Slowly, slowly.
You can do it.
Okay, let's learn some habit vocabulary.
Useful words.
Repeat after us.
Routine.
Routine means the things you usually do every day.
Healthy.
Healthy means good for your body.
Tired.
Tired means you need rest or sleep.
Relax.
Relax means rest and feel calm.
Exercise.
Exercise means physical activity.
Excellent.
Donna, what habit do you want to change?
I want to sleep earlier.
Good goal.
Yes, I want more energy in the morning.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I want to use my phone less.
Ooh, difficult challenge.
Very difficult.
Phones are like magic boxes.
Tiny glowing magic boxes. Listener, what habit do you want to change?
Think about it.
Maybe you want to exercise more.
Maybe drink more water.
Maybe study English every day.
That is a wonderful habit.
Yes, even 10 minutes every day helps.
Small steps are important.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end of today's lesson.
But first,
Quick review time.
habits are things we do regularly.
Good habits help us stay healthy and happy.
Bad habits are normal too.
Nobody's perfect.
Important phrases today.
I wake up early.
I go to bed late.
I drink coffee every morning.
I exercise 3 times a week.
I brush my teeth before bed.
Excellent practice today.
We are very proud of you.
Yes, your English is improving every day.
Slowly and naturally.
1 sentence at a time.
One conversation at a time.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your best habit?
And what habit do you want to change?
We love reading your comments.
Yes, we read them all.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Whether you're cooking,
Driving,
studying,
walking,
or relaxing in bed,
thank you for learning English with us.
you are not alone.
We are your English friends.
Take care of yourself.
Drink water
Get some sleep.
and practice English every day.
Even a little bit helps.
Okay, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
And remember,
Step by step,
you can do it.
you can do it.